Today we have one of the most exciting laptops on the market in our hands. Something I've been long wanted to review. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro 360. This laptop combines sleek design, powerful hardware, and unique features like a touchscreen that rotates 360 degrees. Let's dive into its details, design, performance, and capabilities for work and creativity. I also frequently compare it to the MacBook Pro as it's arguably its main competitor. So let's go! The Galaxy Book4 Pro 360 immediately grabs your attention with its premium design. The body is made out of lightweight, durable aluminum, offering reliability and pleasant tactile experience. It's just 12.8 millimeters thick and about 1.6 kilograms. It's highly portable for a 16-inch laptop. The standout feature is a 360-degree rotating screen, transforming the device into a tablet. This opens new possibilities, especially with including S Pen stylus. The laptop is available in two colors, silver and graphite, both looking elegant and professional. Let's talk about connectivity. The Galaxy Book4 Pro 360 surprises with an excellent selection of ports. 2 USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4 support, HDMI, USB 8, micro SD card slot, 3.5mm audio jack. This is a fantastic set for Ultrabook, especially compared to competitors like MacBook Pro, which lacks many of those ports, requiring additional adapters. Performance. The Galaxy Book4 features the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 155A processor based on the Meteor Lake architecture. This chip delivers excellent energy efficiency and power handling, multitasking, and demanding tasks effortlessly. My version comes with a 16 gig of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD. This laptop includes an Intel Arc graphics, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor, Intel Iris. It handles photo editing in Photoshop and Lightroom seamlessly, and Adobe Premiere and DaVinci work smooth for simple projects. However, for more complex projects, the processor might fall short. In gaming, its capabilities are limited. Popular games like CSGO or Dota 2 run well on high settings, and modern platforms perform fine. However, demanding AAA titles require reduced graphics settings or might not run optimally due to an integrated GPU. For those interested in benchmarks, you can see results on your screen. However, keep in mind that benchmarks don't always reflect real-world performance. The laptop is available in different configurations. Intel Core Ultra 7, 16 gig of RAM, 512 gig of SSD, approximately $1,500. Intel Core Ultra 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD is right about $1,800. Top tier with the 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD costs around $2,300. These prices are competitive considering versatility and functionality of the device. However, now it's beginning of 2025, and based on my personal research, I was already able to find the similar laptop with a 16 gig of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD on a secondary market in excellent condition or in open box condition for right under $900. So it's really good deal. The built-in Full HD camera support autofocus and auto framing, making it excellent for video calls. Noise cancelling microphone ensure clear audio quality. The speakers deliver clean and balanced sound, though bass could be stronger. In this aspect, the MacBook Pro outshines it with its powerful audio system. Galaxy Book4 Pro 360's keyboard is highly comfortable. With soft yet precise key travel, the adjustable backlighting adds convenience for work at any time of the day. The large responsive touchpad enhances usability. This gets a definite thumbs up from me. Holy cow, you can play games on this huge touchpad. The star feature of this laptop, it is a 16-inch AMOLED screen with 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This is one of the Galaxy's strongest aspects. The display supports 100% PCLP3 color coverage, making it an ideal choice for designers and photographers. It's equally enjoyable for work and watching movies. The S Pen stylus offer high precision and minimal latency, enabling creative tasks like drawing note, taking, or working with the graphics applications. And it's actually included in the box, so you don't have to spend any additional money. Galaxy Book4's battery provides decent performance, 8 to 10 hours under moderate usage, browsing, text editing, and video playback, and around 4 to 5 hours under heavy loads. While this excellent for a Windows device, it falls short compared to the MacBook Pro with, let's say, M2 chip, which offers 15 to 18 hours of battery life, thanks to Apple Silicon's energy efficiency. Nevertheless, for Windows Ultrabook, the Galaxy Book4 Pro 360 is among the best in its class. In conclusion, should you consider buying this laptop? If you are after premium quality, an excellent display, and versatility, yes, this is universal laptop that combines style, power, and convenience. It's perfect for work, creativity, and multimedia. A lightweight and functional device that impresses with its capabilities, offered at reasonable price for its specifications. And now let's take this baby apart to see what we can upgrade, repair, or replace. Stay tuned, let's go! As always, we'll begin by accessing the bottom side of the laptop. Carefully remove the bottom case. However, let me be upfront, this is not an easy task with this model. First, you need to remove 4 rubber feet and unscrew 4 screws. Once this is done, the challenging part begins. The bottom case is secured with numerous internal clips that are tightly attached to the palm rest. Additionally, the bottom case is very thin and fragile, making it difficult to remove without casing damage. Another crucial point to note is that the aluminum casing is prone to scratches. To avoid damage, I highly recommend using a plastic pry tool instead of the metal one. A metal pry tool increases the risk of scratching or damaging the surface. I started from the rear part of the bottom case, popping one corner free, and then carefully work my way around to detach the internal clips. It's helpful to use your fingers whenever possible, as this gives you better control and lets you gauge how much force to apply. Once the bottom case is removed, the internal components of the laptop are fully exposed. The battery is relatively easy to replace, requiring the removal of only 5 screws. The laptop features a single slot for removable SSD, allowing for straightforward upgrades. However, the RAM is soldered onto the motherboard, so it's essential to verify how much memory you need before purchasing the laptop. This model comes with either 16 gig or 32 gig of memory RAM. On a positive note, the USB port, SD card slot, and audio jack are located on a separate data board, which makes repairs or replacements of these components simply and cost-effective. Unfortunately, the soldered RAM and Wi-Fi card present a downside. If either one of them fails, you would need to replace the entire motherboard, which can be costly. The cooling system consists of 2 fans and a single heatsink for the CPU. If you ever need to replace the heatsink, ensure that you properly reapply thermal paste to prevent overheating issues. That concludes today's guide. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you love and peace.